How's everyone doing? Good afternoon. My name is Jordan Mackler, the CEO and co-founder of ScribeUp. We're a seed stage fintech startup that is obsessed with reshaping the relationship between consumers and their recurring bills. We work with banks, credit unions, and other fintechs to embed a subscription management experience natively into the digital banking offering to their consumers. Before we get into the demo, and let me set the stage a little bit, and I ask you all to reflect about your own relationships with recurring bills. You've probably parked your rent, cable, and utilities on different bank accounts, your loan payments on perhaps a different relationship. You've dropped your debit or credit cards onto many different subscriptions, and all of these bills have one thing in common. They're passively auto-paying onto your accounts, and you really have no visibility without searching through credit card statements, searching through various different financial institution relationships of what actually that spend is. Well, I can tell you a little bit about that. The average consumer today has around $650 of monthly recurring bills, about 3 times what you would expect it to be, and 70% of US consumers today are facing an active, unwanted bill, or a bill they didn't know about. And the reason that is because our financial tools aren't built to dynamically handle these recurring nature of these payments. These merchants are smart. They make canceling a hassle. They push charge hikes onto you. They charge you after a free trial. And all of that has led to the proliferation of unwanted bills and a consumer distrust in engaging with these recurring bills. Our predecessors, as we call it, were personal finance tools that came over the top of the banking relationship and said, hey, we'll capture 7 million plus users, have them charge $8 to $15 per month, and create a financial epicenter for them to have visibility and control over those recurring bills. We're here to challenge that concept and make your banking institution that financial epicenter for your own consumers in order to heighten the card spend that you have amongst your clients, to identify deposit and other loan opportunities, and really depthen the relationship of your banking relationship with your consumers. Let me jump into exactly what this looks like. So this, My Bank Financial, will be it's a demo financial bank. It's my everyday banking relationship. I have a debit, credit, and checking account associated with them. And what we do is we park an embedded experience natively into the existing offering you have today. There takes no time to populate this for your users. We're consuming direct transaction data from your users' accounts. And so there's no steps for a user to populate this. This is a table stakes experience now offered throughout the entirety of your relationship with your customers. A user can see the various bills that they're paying for. You see they have a Spotify bill, they have an auto loan, Prime. They see compelling ways to save when price hikes are being pushed upon them. And really what the concept of this is within your banking institution to be able to track this all in one place and do the core management features that you would want directly within this banking experience. So let's jump into this for a second. I get to see all of these recurring bills. These are the 6 bills that I'm paying for on my Demo Bank Financial. I'm able to see, again, with no population, no setting up different accounts, immediately access to when are these bills due, when is my rent due, when is my next loan payment, and empowering me to financially plan within your banking relationship. I could actually know when these bills are exactly due and sync those reminders into my personal calendar so I'm able to plan appropriately and really create a healthy loop of bringing folks back into your digital banking offering. But a lot of the value here of what consumers want is that they've parked these subscriptions on all these different relationships. So what I'll show you now is that directly within your banking institution will allow you to scan in other financial relationships and really drive that external account connection that you perhaps already have. Right? What is the motive for a user here? A user wants to see what bills they know about, they don't know about, by scanning in the various financial relationships that they have. So I'll show you in real time, scanning in a PNC Bank relationship that this user may have. Oh, I typed in the password wrong. And so now I don't know what I'm paying for on this Discover relationship, but now through My Bank Financial, I have the visibility to say, hey, what are these subscriptions that are being paid for? And importantly, My Bank Financial, which we'll get into in a second, has the visibility to uncover all the financial opportunities that exist on these third-party financial relationships. So we're finding subscriptions. This is a fairly instantaneous process. Finished the scanning, found various accounts, bills that are on this account. We could usher them through an experience that helps them swap the card on file to your financial relationship. But importantly, why would a user do this, right? So now I have all this visibility of these bills on other cards through this financial epicenter of your banking relationship. But in order to unlock the features of cancellation, tracking, a user has to switch and use your card or use your banking products for these recurring bills. So let's show a really powerful feature, which is we have the capacity to one-click instantaneously cancel the top subscription merchants out there. So this is unlike other even personal finance providers out there that take 2 to 7 days to cancel it. This is an instantaneous process where we use artificial intelligence and API connectivity to jump into the user's account based on their login credentials, validate that they have an active account associated with their bank, and functionally cancel that subscription, again, directly from your account. And so all this data visibility is super helpful, but really this creates a powerful tentacle into your consumer's total financial life. And what this external account connection creates is huge opportunities for you to expand your relationships with your consumers. You can look through your entire user bases. Users are going through and scanning other accounts. You can see deposits that are on other institutions. You can find third-party loans on other institutions, and really that data pipeline to unlock and depth in the financial relationship. If you're a bank, credit union, or card company looking to heighten your card spend or identify opportunities within your existing customers to expand that banking relationship in deposits, loans, or other forms of card spend, come reach out to ScribeUp today. We'll be at the facilities, and we'd love to chat. Thank you very much.